In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change chart interactions in Power BI, whether you want to highlight, filter, or set it to none. This is a great skill to have when presenting or analyzing data because it allows you to control how your charts respond to different interactions, giving you more personalized and precise insights. Let's walk through the steps together so you can master this function. First, start by opening up your Power BI application. If you haven't already, make sure that your dataset is loaded and you have a visualization that you want to adjust. Choosing the right visualization is essential because the way you set these interactions will impact how other visuals relate to the one you're working on. Once Power BI is open, navigate to the report where you'd like to change the interactions. After opening your report, you'll need to click on the visualization you've selected for interaction changes. This is the visualization that you want to modify in terms of how it behaves when interacting with other visuals on the page. Clicking on it ensures that Power BI knows which visual to apply these settings to. Make sure you've clicked directly on the visualization itself so it's actively selected. Now, with your chosen visualization ready, head to the Format tab at the top of the screen. The Format tab in Power BI contains many customizable options that allow you to tweak and improve the look, feel, and interactive features of your visuals. It's a powerful section to familiarize yourself with. In the Format tab, look for the option called Edit Interactions. It's typically found in the toolbar above your report canvas. Clicking Edit Interactions will display interaction options directly on your report's visuals, allowing you to control how each visual responds to clicks on the visual you currently have selected. These interaction icons will appear above the other charts and graphs in your report. Here's where you can decide what happens when you interact with your main visualization. You'll see a set of icons representing the three interaction types: highlight, filter, or none. By clicking on each icon separately, you can choose how that specific visualization interacts. The highlight option will emphasize data points on related visuals, highlighting them without completely filtering out the rest of the data. The filter option is more drastic, showing only data points related to the selection you made. Meanwhile, choosing none means that no interaction will take place, which can be useful if you want to isolate interactions entirely. And there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you've changed the chart interaction in Power BI to suit your needs. Whether you're aiming for a simple highlight effect, a detailed filter, or to remove interactions altogether, you now have the know-how to apply these changes effectively. Having control over these interactions not only enhances your data presentation skills, but also empowers you to tell a more coherent data narrative. Thanks for watching, and happy reporting!